The new Dust and Wash Detailer is the latest version of our popular triple thread extension duster. The newest version of our extension duster has an attractive black metal handle and microfiber mop head for washing. Use the triple thread duster and its wax-treated cotton mop to lift and remove dust from your truck, SUV, or RV. It has our unique mop head that can rotate and pivot for optimal dusting. The extension handle makes it easier to dust taller or hard-to-reach surfaces. It extends from 21 inches to 42 inches to reach across your vehicle or up on the roof. The wax-treated mop head quickly removes light daily dust, extending the time needed in between car washes. When it is time for a car wash, simply replace the cotton mop head with the microfiber mop head. Use the soft microfiber mop head to gently scrub dirt and grime during your car wash. The microfiber mop head rotates and pivots for easier scrubbing and cleaning of your vehicle. Extend or shorten the metal handle as needed for better cleaning. Rotate the mop head to submerge the mop in your car wash bucket, and then rotate and extend the triple thread as needed during the car wash. Use the California Triple Thread Dust and Wash Detailing Kit to maintain all of your car, trucks, SUVs, and RVs.